Hi everyone, it's Mr.T here. We've got 5 students away today. Quiz is coming up, so thought I would send home a quick video on elapsed time. So I want to show students and parents as a review some of the ways we've been learning elapsed time in class. Okay, so question that we did this morning was time right now is, oh, marker doesn't work. Time right now is 9 o'clock, and the second clock that we have over here is 11:30. How much time has elapsed between 9 o'clock and 11:30? That's what we're looking at. We could put this in a phrase or a sentence. Jonathan leaves for hockey at 9 in the morning and he arrives at 11:30 in the morning. How long was he driving? I'm going to study from 9 o'clock until 11:30. How long did I study? So putting it in the form of a sentence or a real world phrase or application, that's a good way. So we have the question 9 o'clock to 11:30. How much time has elapsed? So a few ways that we can do it. We take an actual clock, which I have over there. I'll grab one. So we could do something like this where we've got a clock and we actually move it around. So we've got 1 hour, 2 hours plus 30 minutes. So we could do it that way with a clock or a manipulative. So we've got 2 hours and 30 minutes or 2 hours, 30 minutes. That's one way of showing it with a clock. You could get like paper clocks online and you could print those off and do it that way. We could actually do something like this where we show them 1 o'clock or 1 hour is 10. Another hour is 11 plus the 30 minutes would be 2 hours, 30 minutes. We could show it that way. We could do a number line. So maybe this is helpful as well. Actually, in the curriculum, it says that students need to know elapsed time with and without a number line. So number line was the first one that we learned. So we would do something like this. We have 9 o'clock here, and then we've got 1 hour is 10 o'clock, and then we've got 2 hours would be 11 o'clock. So you could show it like that and then show the minutes after that. So you've got 1 hour, 2 hours, 2 hours, 30 minutes. You could show it that way. Another way that you could show that we worked on this morning, I did this morning with a few students, is 9 o'clock and then we go 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. So what we're doing is we're jumping 1 hour, 2 hours, and then we're gonna now go into the minutes. So we're gonna go from 11 to 30 is 30 minutes. So we've got 2 hours and 30 minutes. So really we've got a manipulative, we've got a number line, we've got clocks, we've got cutouts that you can use printed. We're showing it vertically in this way. Whole bunch of different ways, but really we want to show elapsed time in a variety of different ways, and students are always welcome to use a piece of scrap paper for help. A more common way with a number line, I'll finish with this one, is to do something like this where you're actually skipping. So that would be 1 hour, 2 hours, and then what some will do, if we put the 2 hours here, for the minutes you go above the line. So then we've got 10, 20, 30. So plus 10, plus 10, plus 10. So you've got 1 hour, 2 hours, 2 hours 10, 2 hours 20, 2 hours 30. Honestly, a whole bunch of different ways to do it. Hopefully that's helpful. But really starting with a clock, starting with a number line, starting with a paper cutout, starting with a vertical way. It's totally up to you how you want to do it. But that's looking at elapsed time.